Hey filmmakers, this is Mr. Granlund here, and I'm going to go through how to do some experimentation for the macro abstraction video. So what I have over here is I have a wide range of things that are going to be really interesting, okay? So I have kind of a square-ish vase or glass vessel, and I'm going to fill this with water and squirt color dye into it using a turkey baster. That's going to give me some cool effects. I have my camera set up so that I can zoom in all the way and it'll look something like that. Okay. So I'm going to actually zoom back out. Some other things that I have kind of just something that I have a lot of. So I have a big bag of rice, some food coloring, candles, and different kind of glass pieces that kind of look cool, you know, with the light reflections. I have a different colored bottle. So this is a ginger beer, so it's a ginger ale. And it has kind of a nice brown thing. I'm thinking of shooting some light through that and then see what that looks like. You know, some more cut glass crystal stuff. Measure, you never know when you need to measure stuff. And then I have some flashlights. Now when you set this up, you're gonna have the lights off for the most part, or try to get somewhere dark. This is not very dark here, as you can see. So I should try to work somewhere darker so that I can control the light. But that may not be something that you can control very much. But what you wanna do is set your camera up so it's still. If you don't have a tripod, that's okay. All you need is just the camera to be still while you try different things in front of it. Some of the techniques that you're going to want to try are moving things, you know, so as you're filming it, you know, maybe try rotating this around, or when you squirt things in there, that'll create some movement. I would recommend not moving the camera too much because that movement tends to be really jerky and doesn't work very well. But try moving the things in front of the camera, maybe a little bit. Things such as candles kind of provide their own movement. The thing that I like to move the most is whatever my light source is. So as I'm kind of, you know, zoomed in on the thing, moving some light around creates some nice movement as well. And it's not really like, it's not supposed to look like anything in particular. So you should have a lot of flexibility to use kind of whatever you get. It took me about 15 minutes to kind of get prepped here to pull out a bunch of different things. I'm looking to get somewhere in the neighborhood of 15 to 20 shots that I can cut real short and set to music. And my final video should be around 1 to 2 minutes of playing around with different stuff. Okay, make it really moody. Try and incorporate lots of different colors. And let's see what you get. All right, good luck, filmmakers. All right, filmmakers. So here I have this vase. You can see that, like the little bubbles in here. If your camera has a slow motion function, I recommend that you film in slow motion. There's just kind of this neat movement with the bubbles, so I thought I'd capture that. And remember, you want your camera to be zoomed in as much as possible. It looks like I have a little bit dirty, so I'm going to try and wipe that off a little bit. That looks better. All right, so now I'm going to film some dye shots. And when you're doing these, oh, there it goes. When you're filming these, you're only going to get kind of one shot. And once you dump it in there, you're going to have to dump out the water, get new clean water, and then try it again. So it's kind of a slow process for each shot.